Hello, wonderful young fan parents. Can you believe week 1 of our summer camp adventure is already in the books? Let's take a fun flight back through the amazing activities your children dived into this week. Buckle up for the Young Fan Week 1 highlight video. First up, our LEGO Robotics Lab was buzzing with excitement. Your young engineers didn't just play with Legos, they brought them to life. They snapped together gears and motors, then used kid-friendly coding to make their robots move, spin, and even solve challenges. Who knew learning loops and algorithms could lead to so many high fives and wow moments? Your kids aren't just building robots, they're building a foundation in STEM that'll serve them for years to come. Next, we soared into our sky art sessions. In rainbow watercolor painting, your budding artists experimented with colors like true scientists. They discovered how blue and yellow dance together to make green, and how a splash of red turns purple into a party. The results? Refrigerator art that rivals rainbows. Then, in plain origami, precision met imagination. Your kids turned flat paper into flying wonders, learning geometry with every fold. Our camp became an art gallery and an airport, all in one colorful afternoon. But the week 1 adventures weren't over yet. In Chess Explorers Club, the quiet concentration was magnetic. Your children learned that pawns can become queens and that thinking ahead is a superpower. We saw light bulb moments as they grasped strategies that will boost their critical thinking in and out of school. And right next door, our fun clay art studio was a hive of squishy creativity. Dinosaurs, spaceships, and creatures from undiscovered planets emerged from lumps of clay. It was messy, magnificent, and a masterclass in turning imagination into reality. Parents, in just 1 week, your children have coded, painted, strategized, and sculpted their way through a mini renaissance. They've giggled through geometry, cheered at checkmates, and beamed with pride at their creations. But beyond the robots and rainbows, they've grown. They've learned to persist when a robot won't move just right, to mix one more color when the rainbow needs that extra zing, to think 3 moves ahead, and to see potential in a simple ball of clay. So, as we wrap up this week 1 highlight video, we hope you're as thrilled as we are. Your decision to join Young Fan Summer Camp? Absolutely brilliant! You've given your kids a week of growth, laughter, and memories that'll last way longer than watercolors on paper. And the best news? We're just getting started. Stay tuned for more weekly recaps, because every week at Young Fan is an epic new chapter. Here's to week 1, and to the incredible summer adventures still to come. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.